Hey butterflies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sophia here. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Today I am doing a Luvme Hair wig review. So let me show you guys. It came in this box right here. Disclaimer, I've already opened this and I've worn the wig a few times already, so the box isn't as perfectly brand new and put together as when I first got it, but it comes in this really cute box that says Love Me. I love the little flower on it. It reminds me of Tangled. Purple is really the moment for Luvme Hair. This is what the wig came in. It comes in this little cute baggie and it's just easy and accessible. It also came with this cute bag right here as well, and I got an edging brush to help style anything, and also this wrap right here. Very nice. And then it also came with a wig cap as well, if you prefer to use wig caps when you wear wigs. Honestly, I do typically wear wig caps, but with this one, I didn't even need one, so that was nice. So this is what the wig looks like. She's a little smushed right now. Let me fluff her out. So this is what it looks like from far away. The color is like this really pretty ginger color. I've been wanting to try out this color on my face and my skin tone forever, and I thought now would be the perfect time because we're coming up to fall season, and I think this is such a pretty color for the fall. I love this ginger color. It gives me a lot of autumn vibes, a lot of fall vibes. So I definitely wanted to try this look out. It's a bob wig, so it's a little short. It's definitely super curly. As you can see, the curls are like really pretty, and it looks like really natural, really realistic. Especially with the curls, it looks a lot similar to my own natural curls, which I love. The root of the wig is darker as well, so it also gives it more of that natural hair look, that natural scalp vibe. And again, I'm really loving the curls and how the roots are darker because it matches like my dark hair as well. So I didn't even need to wear a wig cap with this because the hair is so full and it does have those darker roots. So if you could see like my under roots, it would just look like it was a part of, you know, the wig. It looks natural. So love that. This is what the inside of it looks like. As you can see, the nice detailing up close. It's got these clasps right here to help with adjusting. And it also has this strap. This strap is such a blessing. I love that I've been seeing this kind of strap on wigs more. It makes the wig so much easier to put on. You just slip it over your head and this helps it stay in place and makes it feel so much more secure than if you were to wear this without the strap. So again, didn't even need a bald cap, didn't have to glue anything down. Like, it just laid so easily and went on so easy. And then it's also got this right here so you can clasp it on the other side as well. So all types of ways to make it feel secure and to adjust it to how you like it. I personally like the big look of it. When I wear it, I love how voluptuous it is. I love like that big hair kind of afro look. I think it's really cute and a lot more natural. And yeah, I really do enjoy this. I'm gonna be wearing this a lot, especially in the fall season. I've worn it a couple times already. I've posted videos on my TikTok in this. I got like a lot of compliments, so that was nice. I also took some pictures in it. And I'm also going to be having another YouTube video coming out as well, and this wig is going to be a key part in it. I'm doing a Barbie, or a seeing if I'm a Barbie, Bratz, or a fairy look, and this gave me a lot of fairy vibes, so I'm definitely going to be using this, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah, I really like this wig. The feeling of it is really nice. It's really soft, like running my hands through it, it feels so nice. And I love that it has bangs as well in the front. I think that helps, especially like not wearing a bald cap, not having to glue anything down. I think that like really helps in the front, make it a bit more natural, and just you don't have to do too much. You don't really need edges, so that is great in my opinion. It's like a quick and easy hair look, especially if you just want to like change it up a little bit. Super easy. Gosh, my cats are trying to bust in the door right now, but I've got the basket blocking the door so they can't get in. So if you guys hear any like pushing in the back, it's my cats. So this is actually pretty easy to style in my opinion. I kind of like it just how it came, and typically I'll use my pick if I want to make the top look a little more fluffy and, you know, bigger. But you can also wet this as well. I've wetted it a couple times and it dries up really nicely. And when it's damp, it just looks a bit longer, like a little flatter. So that's also nice as well. There's a little bit of a range in how you style this. But yeah, overall, it's really nice. I'm really liking it. I think this hair color is so pretty. And yeah, definitely going to be doing a lot of looks with this. I'm also really excited for spooky season, just so I can have more like variety of hairstyles to do. And if you know me and my TikTok, I love to do story type stuff and film type stuff, so this is definitely going to come in handy. But yeah, like I said, very nice. It's a very nice curl pattern, as you guys can see, and there's not a lot of shedding either, so that's really nice. Like, I haven't had any shedding so far. Almost like a bit of an ombre. You guys can't tell as well, but it's like a bit lighter at the top, and then the bottom is a bit more red. So yeah, super pretty. I'll insert some pictures of me in the wig and some videos I took in it. Definitely cute, very fun. I'm very pleased with this. So this wig is the ombre brown summer hair deep wave wig with cute bangs, and yeah, definitely go check it out. They also have a bunch of other cute wigs on there as well, but I wanted to try something fun, something cute, and something new, just to give me a fresher, like revived look. I like to like have an identity crisis sometimes and just change up my whole look. But yeah, definitely go check them out. I think they have really good quality wigs, and yeah, pricing's not too bad either, so I'm definitely very pleased with this. That is it for this wig review. Let me know if ooh, why my voice cracked like that? Let me know if you guys want to start seeing more hair reviews, more wig reviews, and things like that. Just comment down below. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I really like the color of this. What colored wigs do you guys think I should do next? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will have the link linked in the description. I will have the wig link linked down below in the I cannot speak. I will have the wig link linked down below in the description, so make sure you guys check that out as well. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, y'all gonna miss out on some videos if you don't subscribe. Oh my gosh, what is going on? If you don't subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And oh, also I finally hit 3K subscribers on YouTube, so thank you guys. Thank you to everyone that's been supporting me. You guys really keep me going. And yeah, thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching my videos. But yeah, that is it for today. I will see you guys next time. Bye.